Day 3 was a game changer. I woke up feeling lighter mentally and physically. I wasn't as hungry anymore, and my energy levels started coming back. This is the healing phase, guys. The body begins a process called autophagy, which is like a deep cleanse for your cells. It breaks down old damaged cells and creates new ones. This helps fight inflammation and supports longevity. Hello, guys. Okay, so now this is my day 3. Seriously, honestly, I'm gonna just say one thing. I didn't say this yesterday, but yesterday was brutal for me. I didn't even use my mic, I forgot. So I apologize for the sound, guys, but I really took strain. Hey, my goodness. I'd really struggled because, I do 48-hour fast regularly. But, you always have that anticipation that you're about to eat, and then also, for the past couple of months, I haven't been on my best behavior around food. So I think it just hit me a little bit harder. And then this morning I woke up and I was like, wow, today is going to be so tough. And honestly, because I had to consult my clients, I had to speak about food for like 7.5 hours. And I must be honest, oh la la, it was tough. But you know what? I got through it. I had my cups of coffee, I had my ginger water, and yeah, by the afternoon, something just changed. Like, I just felt better. Like, I felt more in charge, more in control. I felt like an inner calmness, that wild, like, cravings and hunger, that started subsiding. So, you know what? Like, this is signs that, like, whatever sugar addictions are taking place, addictions are being broken. I know I'm in ketosis, and I'm going to be aiming now for a nice deep ketosis, and I really want to do a massive deep dive with my autophagy. So I'm really excited because I am just about to break my own barrier. So I'm for this. I am so super excited. Another thing I don't even think I told you guys yesterday, which was quite bizarre. I am a vegetarian, or I should say a pescatarian, and I was worried about doing a longer fast because, as I said, I'd only done 3 days before, 72 hours. And so I thought, after I did a lot of research and just sharpened up my mind and, checked it all out, and I thought, crikey, I really should try and give this bone broth a bash. My goodness. And I don't like meat, that's just my thing. And Jim organized me some chicken broth, and he said to me, if you eat this, he says, I'll be shocked. And I said, no, 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 this is going to get me through my fast, blah, blah. And I'm telling you, I like literally sniffed it, put my tongue on it, and almost got sick. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing my 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in the evenings. And I've got my ginger and lemon water, and I sip on that when I need a little bit of a boost. And then I have my black coffee, and I seem to be going pretty strong, guys. So I must say, I have turned a corner, and I have just passed the 72 mark, and I've just done a power hour. I literally, I can't explain it. I just feel different, and I'm loving it. So, guys, if you're thinking about doing a 72-hour fast, this is where I'm at 72 hours. So please, I am so anxious, guys. Okay, let me toodle off to go have my apple cider vinegar and another glass of water.